I've been working all day on this project here. You can see we got some new wood shake here in the front of the cottage. It's all hardy straight shake that we've installed. We put the blocking in for all the nice lights. We worked around the cornices, which we got to put a little tin nailer in there tomorrow when you get the finish nailer out. But we know that. But the funniest thing today was that yesterday this stained glass window on this old historic home was up here. Well, when the seniors decided they were going to take out that window and put in a new shape, they looked at me and said, "Mr. Woody, where are the screws to take out the window?" At that point, I knew I was from northern New York and I was around old farmhouses. I'm like, "Senors, there is no screws there. This is the old trim. Give me Mateo and Barb." So we pulled that trim out and pulled this window out and salvaged it for a little bit. You can see from the weight of the structure how much that window has curved. But I don't know how old it is, but it's a blessing to have, and these are one of those windows you don't want to lick. So if you want to laugh, smile, or get a good contractor, let me know. Like us, follow us, and find us here at GMR Metal Roofs and Construction. Thank you and have a blessed day.